back to my channel. I remain myself the great Johnsonkeyz. Welcome to Johnsonkeyz Music Academy, right? Okay, so today I'm going to show you a very nice drop two chords you can use to introduce a song, to introduce a worship song, to create an atmosphere, play when pastor is preaching. I did this in the key of C sharp, I did it in the key of C, and I decided to do it in the key of F2. Alright, so before I show you this, I want to quickly introduce you again. Some of you have seen it and you are still thinking about it. Yeah, still on the new intermediate piano course, I did this for everybody, so you should get it. The syllabus is on the screen. The price for people in Nigeria is $4,000, and then the price for people abroad is $12. Alright, this is a video class, so it's a pre-recorded video class. Alright, so where you get to learn all the stuff you can see on the syllabus. So check the comment section for my contact on how to for my WhatsApp contact, and then inbox me from anywhere to get your copy. All right, so let's get to the lesson for today. So I'm kind of changing it a little bit. So for people who have learned in the key of C sharp, so you can also, even if you are watching, you can also learn some new things again while I'm doing it in other keys. All right, let's look at this. So our first chord is 5 on the left, which is C. Then on the right we have 2, and then we have 7. So it goes like this. Or alright, so I'm kind of changing stuff like I said. Alright, so let's look at that again. So we have a first chord, then second chord we have a 6 on the left, which is D. Then on the right you have A, B flat, and then F. So together we have a right. Then on the then next chord we go. So what's the note? So we are going from B flat to A on the left. On the right we are going from F with a slur to F, F with a slur to G. Then with D. So we are starting from F to G and D, right? Something like that. I'm going from F all the way to F sharp to slur and have G and D. Then to have F, G and C again. So together it goes. Then right. So right, then to this sus 2 chord. So together we have right now we have then so we have then the next chord we have F and C. Then you're going to do your melody, then so then family on your 5, which is in this case we have E and C. So right, then so then you do a 7 1 2 1, then you do a D, B flat, C, and then to D. So it goes like this from that part. So when I did then I did sa, then right, so something like that. So let's use this one for that. So you get, so you create that atmosphere, right? So don't forget to get the what's it called, to come into my inbox to get my new intermediate piano course, because you're going to learn a lot of stuff, how to beat drop twos in the key of C, in the key of F, in the key of F sharp, and some other keys. How to learn some of these chords. I'm going to teach you how to use right chords like this. So you're going to learn a lot of that in the intermediate course. So I'll be expecting on WhatsApp. My contact is in the comment section. God bless you. Bye.